I wanted to create a short video just showing you how I use Garmin Connect to plan a ride and then upload it to either my Fenix 8 or my Garmin Edge head unit. So you log into Garmin Connect if you've got an account, and then what we do is we go down to training and planning and into the courses option, and you can see here a number of courses that I've created and uploaded in the past. You'll see here the default map is showing me the South Island of New Zealand and the rides that I've previously uploaded. In this case here, I want to select Hamner Springs as an area where we were going to ride the coming weekend. And you can see here I want to start a ride from the thermal pools, and I want to go up over Jack's Pass and back Jolly's Pass and create a loop. So what we do is we create a new route and we'll make it mountain biking. What that then does is loads all of the mountain bike courses that have previously been ridden by Garmin users. So that's a great resource of rides and planning ride adventures. So what we do is we start, as I mentioned, we'll start by the hot pools, and you click on the map. That then sets your start location. And in this case we want to go up Jack's Pass and Clarence Valley Road. However, there is a little shortcut which is quite nice up Lucas Lane, and so we can just click the next point and it will link these routes together. So we're going to climb up this trail here, and you can see that once again it's taken the turn off, and then we'll go on to Clarence Valley Road at this point. So far we've covered a distance of 4.3 kilometers and 174 meters of vertical. I then want to head up, and I'm just scrolling in and out with the mouse, and I want to head along the Clarence River here and then back over Jolly's here, down Jolly's Pass, and then there's a couple of shortcut features where you can change the direction of travel, or you can take the shortest route back to your start position, which we'll do there. And we've created a 27 kilometer circuit with 600 meters of vertical. We then save that, and I'll just call it test loop, and we will save it as a private, just available and viewable by me. And you can see now that if we go to my courses again, you can see that test loop is now in my history in Garmin Connect up in the cloud. If I want to send that to my device, I just need to make sure my device is connected, in which case the Garmin Fenix 8 should be, and hit send to device. Now the next time my watch syncs, it will load that course up onto the watch. I will show you in a short video attached to this how we then use the navigation through the Edge 830 head unit.
Okay, we're now on our Garmin 830, and on your home screen you will see a navigation button which we can select, and then we can go to courses, saved courses, and you'll see the saved courses, of which, since I've synced through Garmin Connect, test loop is now there. And we want to select ride. Navigate to the course, select no for that. That will take you to the start of the course. If you happen to be starting somewhere along the course, which is often what you end up doing on the day, then that navigate to the course won't actually be helpful, in that it's always trying to navigate you back to the start. You then end up with this screen, and what you've got to remember to do is actually start your ride. And we're now underway. And you'll see I've set up a number of navigation screens. And so this is the one that I like, which tells me I've got 27.6 kilometers to go. I've been riding for 10 seconds, and the estimate is that it will take me an hour 22. Do not believe that estimate unless you ride like a demon. It's completely inaccurate. So then we've also got maps of the course, and at the moment it's trying to acquire satellites because I'm indoors. And we can stop the navigating at any point in time and just go back to your normal Garmin ride. And end the ride and choose not to save the ride.